What's up, MFers? Thanks for tuning in today's More Tip Tuesday. We're going to talk to you about wrapping your hose, and not what you're thinking, your MORRFlate hose. Come on over and check it out. So one awesome feature with this hose is it doesn't have a memory, so it's not going to purposely coil one direction than the other. Simple enough. Start from your manifold and just twist using your fingers to the direction that you want it to go, and it will start wrapping up for you. And just let it uncoil itself from the rest over here. The tire lead, you can just wrap around just like that and continue your coil until you're all the way ready to go. Throw your strap right on to hold it in place. Now that one side's done, hang it over your arm and repeat the process. Twisting the hose so that it coils just how you want it. Wrap your tire lead. And just like that, you've wrapped up your MORRFlate. Tuck the hoses together, toss it in your bag, and now you're ready to get on the trail or get off the trail. Thanks for tuning in for today's More Tip Tuesday, and we'll see you next week.